Pantheon is one of the most striking architectural and engineering marvels in the world. The original Pantheon, or Temple to All Gods, was constructed in 27 BC by Marcus Agrippa, one of the most important of the Roman engineers. The Pantheon, as we see it today, though, is markedly different than the one Agrippa completed over 2 millennia ago. According to Sprague de Camp, it was damaged by fire in the reign of Titus, repaired by Domitian, damaged by fire under Trajan, drastically rebuilt by Hadrian in the 120s AD, further repaired by Septimus Servus and Caracalla, turned into a Christian church in 608 AD, and stripped of its gold-plated tiles by the Byzantine Emperor Constans II. He even goes on to say that during the Middle Ages it was robbed of its marble facings, all the statues that once occupied the niches of the rotunda having already disappeared. The last big depredation occurred in 1625 when Pope Urban VIII took the bronze girders that held up the ceiling of the portico. In fact, in deference to Agrippa, Hadrian even had an inscription written, giving all credit to him. However, no matter who built what stands today is an impressive feat, to say the least. The cupola's diameter is the same as the dome's height from the floor, not to mention the fact that the dome is the largest built during this time period. This sort of precision on such a massive scale is truly a marvel to behold.